Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Minix NGC-NR6600 mini PC with AMD Ryzen 5 APU and dual 2.5 gigabit LAN. So friends, the Minix NGC-NR6600 being one of the latest additions, the mid-range mini PC should be sufficiently potent for the majority of non-intensive workload and should be able to fly through daily workload without breaking a sweat, and the system is already available for purchase on Amazon starting at $399 for entry-level variant with 16 GB memory and 512 GB of SSD. And specification wise, the Minix mini PC appear to be as well equipped system that should shoot for most moderate intensive workload as long as it is forwarding on the GPU side. And its core, the Minix mini PC in question is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 6600H APU and 6th generation 3 plus core and 12 threads, which can be paired with up to 64 GB DDR5 4800 memory, custody of dual SODA MM slot, and the chassis is dimension of 5 into 5.12 into 1.97 inch and lack the physical space for the comfort of discrete graphics and has to settle for decently capable Radeon 660M with 6 CU and all through it's by no means sufficient for modern AAA gaming. Some lightweight gaming is not out of the question through a 512 GB SSD take care of storage requirement and the connectivity ports including HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, USB-A and as well dual 2.5 gigabit LAN port. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.